In case of surgery, do not practice immediately. After 6 months of operation, you can do it. And then after 1 year, there is absolutely no risk. So practice. Even after the surgery, you may practice. In case of stomach operation, if someone had pancreas cancer or had liver cancer or had intestinal cancer, prostate cancer or had uterus or ovarian cancer, 1 year after the surgery for these, you must start practicing pranayam. After 6 months, you may slowly start the practice. Even after the operation, Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, Udgit, Bhastrika, one may start practicing even after the stomach operation. Pranayam is essential for everyone. Kapalabhati. Increase its duration slowly and practice with devotion. I was telling you, it works like a natural radiation, works like a natural chemo. It's an amazing pranayam. Practice slowly, increasing the duration. Practice with devotion and dedication, without losing hope, without thinking negative. You are half dead due to fear of cancer. Cancer doesn't kill you, the fear of cancer kills a person. There is a saying that a person doesn't die due to snake bite, but the scare of snake kills a person. Just a snake bites and a man dies. Majority of the snake poison can be made ineffective by certain easy methods. That's a different chapter altogether. But a person dies due to scare of the snake. I have cancer, I will die. This fear of cancer kills a person. Don't be scared. Just once you get yourself checked up properly, and after getting proper checkup, when it becomes certain that you have cancer, get the biopsy done, other tests as well, get them also done. Then practice pranayam. Along with this, you can also take radiation. If cancer is at an advanced stage, then take chemo. And to few people, chemotherapy doesn't suit at all. It may harm, even kill them. Take wheatgrass juice, cow's milk and other such things. Ayurvedic medicine we'll tell you later on. Do whatever suits you. I'm not against radiation and chemo. But I have seen few people, few patients improve just with pranayam. That's why I say, it's also a science. Don't negate it. And we are doing more research on it. And very soon we will be able to say that complete control. Cancer can be completely controlled through pranayam and Ayurvedic treatment fully. It may take some time. But in Patanjali Yogpeeth, research in this direction has already started for controlling the cancer disease. Kapalabhati. Slowly, gradually increase the duration of practice. Right now we are just teaching you. Slowly increase the practice to 15 and then to 30 minutes. And later on practice Bahya and Agnisar Kriya. These 7 pranayams, 7 light exercises and 7 asanas you have to do. Practice the complete package. We tell all our patients to practice on regular basis. After breathing in, breathe out, then hold it out only. In heart problem, high BP problem, do not practice it. In cervical spondylitis pain, do not do Jalandhar Bandh. Then take a deep breath in and breathe out, leave it out only.